Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the simplest way. There's no need to worry or stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video several times to absorb everything naturally. Today's video is about something incredibly popular in American homes, especially among kids, the PB&J sandwich. That's right, PB&J stands for peanut butter and jelly. It's a simple sandwich, but it holds a special place in the hearts of millions of Americans. So, let's dive into what it is and why it became such a beloved part of American culture. The PB&J sandwich is made with three ingredients: bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Usually, 2 slices of soft white or wheat bread are spread with creamy or crunchy peanut butter and then topped with a layer of jelly, often grape or strawberry. It's quick to prepare, inexpensive, and delicious, which makes it a perfect lunch or snack for both kids and adults. The origins of the PB&J sandwich date back to the early 1900s. Peanut butter was originally considered a health food, served in upscale restaurants. But as it became more affordable, it gained popularity among all social classes. During World War II, peanut butter and jelly were included in soldiers' rations. Soldiers combined them with bread, and the idea of the PB&J sandwich was born. After the war, veterans brought this habit back home, and it quickly became a household favorite. What makes this sandwich so popular? First of all, it's convenient. No cooking required. You can make it in less than a minute. Second, it's nutritious. Peanut butter provides protein and healthy fats, while jelly adds sweetness and energy. Third, it's comforting. Many Americans grow up eating PB&J from a very young age, so it brings back memories of childhood, school lunches, and home. The sandwich has become so iconic that it's mentioned in cartoons, movies, and songs. There's even a National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day celebrated on April 2nd. Some people like to get creative with it, using different types of bread, peanut butter made with almonds or cashews, and all kinds of jams and fruit spreads. Even though it seems simple, the PB&J sandwich is a big part of American identity. It represents comfort, tradition, and the idea that sometimes the best things in life are the simplest ones. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed learning about the PB&J sandwich and why it's such a big deal in the United States. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, an important part of mastering both English and American culture. And please give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and create even better content for you. See you in the next adventure.